In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add a PDF to Google Sheets in a few simple steps. By the end of this tutorial, you'll have seamlessly integrated your PDF into your spreadsheet, allowing you to access or share it with ease. Let's get started. First things first, let's talk about getting your PDF ready for upload. Ensure your document is saved on your device and is easily accessible. We want this process to be as smooth as possible, so having the file at your fingertips is essential. With your PDF ready, let's move on to Google Drive. Head over to your Google Drive. If you're not already logged in, enter your Google credentials to access your drive space. Once there, you'll see a multicolored plus icon labeled New on the left-hand side. Click on this and select File Upload from the drop-down menu. This will open up a window on your device where you can find and select the PDF you want to use. Once you've selected your file, it will start uploading to Google Drive. Depending on the size of your document, this could take a few moments, so be patient. Once your PDF is fully uploaded, you'll notice it appearing in your drive list. With the PDF uploaded, our next task is to get a shareable link. Locate your file in Google Drive. Once found, right-click on the file. A context menu will appear, offering several options. Look for Get Link and click on it. You'll see a link sharing dialog box that allows you to manage who can view your PDF. If you want others to be able to access it through your Google Sheet, make sure the link sharing is set to anyone with the link can view. This is important if you plan to share the document with others. Don't forget to hit the Copy Link button. This copies the PDF's URL to your clipboard, ready for the next step in Google Sheets. Now let's switch gears and go over to Google Sheets. Open the spreadsheet where you'd like the PDF link to appear. Navigate to the specific cell where you'd like to place the link. Once the cell is selected, you're going to initiate the link insertion process. This is done by pressing Ctrl+K on your keyboard. You should see a small dialog box appear that says Insert Link. In this dialog box, you'll notice a field where you can enter a URL. Click into this box and paste the link we copied earlier by pressing Ctrl+V. Once the link is pasted, simply click the Apply button right there on the dialog box. Now your PDF is embedded into your Google Sheet. With one click, you or anyone with the sheet can access the document in just a flash. And there you have it. You've successfully added a PDF to your Google Sheets. This method is not only straightforward, but also enhances the utility of your spreadsheet by having additional resources just a click away. Thank you for joining me today, and I hope this guide made the process